there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the beautiful bay wig from Estetica. Now, in full disclosure, this is a promotional sample that was sent to me by Estetica. So I just want to let you know that up front, but this is not going to skew my opinion of this because, I mean, I don't really think I need to even try to sell this one. It kind of sells itself. I mean, don't you think this one's really pretty? So, I mean, we'll get kind of nitpicky with it, I promise. But I do really like it. It's really, really pretty. I think the best way to summarize bay, especially if you want to differentiate this one from some of the other longer sort of beachy wave cuts out there, this is a very natural, beautiful, relaxed, barely there sort of wave. To me, this is probably one of the most natural of these long wavy styles because this just looks like such a natural texture to me. I mean, it's effortless. It's just very pretty. Now, this is not going to be like dress up hair. This is definitely sort of a casual sort of wave pattern, but beautiful for everyday wear. So let me go ahead and do an official 360 here so I can show you what bay looks like on all sides in this R30 2826 from Estetica. When I went over to Estetica in, I think it was like February of this year, I went over there to Instagram some of the new offerings, and bay here was the one I was probably the most excited about, just because I love these relaxed sort of sloppy waves. They just make me feel very happy because it just looks so natural. It's very pretty. I also love the hair density on this one. She's got a lot of hair, but because she's straight up here, that keeps the volume down. That is great because then you get plenty of coverage because there's plenty of hair on this wig. But because of the texture, it's not overwhelming. The front here on bay is 13 inches. The sides are 14.75. The crown is also 14.75. And the nape is 12.75. So this is definitely a long wig. She falls almost in the middle of my back. This does have a lace front. It is temple to temple, and she has a monofilament side part. Like most of the wigs from the Estetica Summer Collection 2018, bay here has a monofilament side part with permatease on the side opposite of the monofilament insert. It is a seamless transition between the part and the lace front, so the lace front is temple to temple, like I mentioned. It goes basically to the top of the ear tabs on each side. We've also got closed cloth here on the ear tabs, as well as an extended open nape. Because Estetica wigs have a lot of extra elastic in the cap, this is going to be a very accommodating wig, especially if you have an average, large, or slightly bigger cap size. Estetica wigs fit a little large. Yeah, so even though they totally sent me this sample, I don't think it's probably a stretch of the imagination whatsoever for you to believe that I actually really like this wig. It's really pretty, and I'm very happy to have it, to play with it. I love this texture. Make sure that you use some kind of glosser or silicone spray on the ends to keep this one nice and tangle free, or at least minimize some of those tangles, because it's almost impossible to completely avoid the tangles on a long wig. But as long as you're treating it properly and using a comb or your fingers to detangle it throughout the day, like I am here, like you can tell this is a new wig because my fingers aren't really catching that much. But yeah, this is This is a beautiful wig. Just make sure you're prepared to take care of it, and I think you're going to be in great shape. So I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you subscribe so that way you don't miss any of our reviews in the future. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.